How many years have we sat on this porch, laughing at jokes that have long lost their punch? You tell me about him and the way that it hurt, and I'd be the shoulder, the safety, the church. We're closer than shadows, but miles apart. Living in the friend zone, it's becoming an art. But something is shifting, the air's getting thick. When our hands accidentally touch, I feel sick. The good kind of nervous that can't catch my breath, and suddenly best friend feels like second best. What if we crossed the line that we drew? Stop pretending that us is just something we do. I'm tired of being the harbor when you're lost at sea. I wanna be the home where you choose to be. From a familiar laugh to a heart-stopping beat, can we make this journey complete? I know the way that you squint when you smile, and you know my silence is mile after mile. We played it so safe, 'cause we're scared of the fall, afraid that the truth might just ruin it all. But silence is heavy and maybe is loud. I'm tired of hiding behind this gray cloud. I'm terrified of losing what we built, but I'm more afraid of what ifs and guilt. Every text me when you're home was a prayer in disguise, that one day you'd see the truth in my eyes.